A toast to simplicity, embracing the open-faced sandwich. Let's talk sandwiches. Not just any sandwich, but the open-faced kind. These aren't your average lunchtime bites hidden beneath a second slice of bread. They're culinary canvases, begging for creativity and bursting with flavor. Open-faced sandwiches are simple to assemble, yet remarkably versatile. They invite you to experiment with textures, colors, and tastes, turning a humble meal into an exciting culinary adventure. Forget the limitations of a closed sandwich. With open-faced creations, you're free to pile on the toppings without worrying about spills or soggy bread. Each bite is an explosion of flavors and textures, a testament to the beauty of simplicity in cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, open-faced sandwiches offer a delicious and approachable way to elevate your everyday meals. So, ditch the sandwich press and embrace the joy of open-faced creations. Let's embark on a culinary journey, exploring the endless possibilities of these delightful and satisfying meals. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and discover the charm of open-faced sandwiches, one delicious bite at a time. Bread as the canvas. Choosing the foundation of flavor. The foundation of any great open-faced sandwich is, of course, the bread. But don't settle for bland, boring slices. Think of your bread as the canvas upon which you'll paint your culinary masterpiece. A sturdy, flavorful bread can make all the difference, providing a robust base for your toppings and enhancing the overall taste experience. For a classic touch, try a crusty baguette, sliced on an angle to maximize surface area for toppings. Its chewy texture and subtle sourdough flavor provide the perfect backdrop for a variety of ingredients. If you prefer a softer bite, consider a ciabatta roll with its airy crumb and delicate flavor. It's particularly delicious when lightly toasted, adding a hint of warmth and crunch. For a more adventurous approach, explore the world of rye bread with its distinctive tangy flavor, or a multigrain loaf packed with nutty and wholesome goodness. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and sizes, from round rolls to square slices. The key is to choose a bread that complements your chosen toppings and adds another layer of flavor to your open-faced creation. Chicken, the heart of the matter. While bread sets the stage, chicken takes center stage in our open-faced sandwich saga. This versatile protein offers endless possibilities for flavor and texture, ensuring a satisfying and delicious meal. From tender shredded chicken to crispy pan-fried cutlets, the choice is yours depending on your preference and the overall theme of your sandwich. For a classic approach, try poaching chicken breasts in flavorful broth until cooked through. Shred the chicken and toss it with your favorite sauce or dressing for a simple yet satisfying filling. If you prefer a bit of crunch, consider breading and pan-frying chicken breasts or thighs until golden brown and crispy. Slice them into strips or serve them whole for a satisfying bite. For a quicker option, utilize leftover roasted chicken, removing the meat from the bones and shredding it for a no-fuss filling. You can also explore different cuts of chicken, such as tender chicken tenders or flavorful chicken thighs, for added variety. Remember to season your chicken generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices to enhance its natural flavors and create a truly delicious sandwich filling. A symphony of toppings unleashing your culinary creativity. Here's where the real fun begins. Choosing the toppings for your open-faced chicken sandwich. This is your chance to unleash your culinary creativity and transform a simple sandwich into a flavor-packed masterpiece. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination and the contents of your refrigerator. Start by considering the overall flavor profile you want to achieve. Are you craving something fresh and vibrant or something rich and savory? For a lighter option, opt for a medley of fresh vegetables such as sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and red onions. Add a sprinkle of feta cheese and a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette for a Mediterranean-inspired delight. If you prefer a heartier sandwich, consider toppings like sautéed mushrooms, caramelized onions, or roasted red peppers. Add a sprinkle of shredded cheese, such as cheddar, mozzarella, or provolone, for an extra layer of flavor and a touch of gooey goodness. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and flavors, creating a symphony of tastes that will tantalize your taste buds. Creamy delights, sauces, and spreads. No open-faced sandwich is complete without a generous slathering of sauce or spread. This is where you can add another dimension of flavor and moisture, taking your creation from simple to sensational. Think of sauces and spreads as the glue that holds everything together, enhancing the flavors of your chosen toppings and adding a touch of indulgence. For a classic touch, opt for a dollop of creamy mayonnaise, tangy mustard, or a zesty barbecue sauce. These staples complement a wide range of toppings and add a familiar comfort to your sandwich. If you're feeling adventurous, explore the world of flavored mayonnaises, such as chipotle mayo, garlic aioli, or sriracha mayo for an extra kick. For a lighter option, consider a drizzle of olive oil, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or a spoonful of hummus. These healthy and flavorful alternatives add moisture and creaminess without overpowering the other ingredients. Don't be afraid to mix and match different sauces and spreads, creating your own signature combinations that perfectly complement your chosen toppings. A celebration of freshness, herbs, and greens. To elevate your open-faced chicken sandwich from ordinary to extraordinary, don't forget the finishing touches, fresh herbs and greens. These vibrant additions not only enhance the visual appeal of your creation, but also contribute a burst of freshness and flavor that will leave you feeling satisfied and refreshed. Imagine a sprinkle of chopped cilantro, adding a citrusy zest to your chicken and avocado sandwich, or a handful of fresh basil leaves lending their sweet, peppery aroma to a tomato and mozzarella creation. Fresh parsley, with its mild grassy flavor, complements a wide range of toppings, while dill adds a unique anise-like flavor that pairs beautifully with creamy sauces and smoked salmon. For a heartier touch, consider adding a handful of baby spinach, arugula, or mixed greens to your sandwich. These nutrient-packed additions contribute a satisfying crunch and a boost of vitamins and minerals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of herbs and greens, creating a symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. From brunch to dinner, open-faced sandwiches for every occasion. One of the most appealing aspects of open-faced sandwiches is their versatility. They're not confined to a specific meal or occasion, but can be enjoyed any time of day, from a leisurely brunch to a light dinner. Their adaptability makes them a fantastic option for busy weeknights, lazy weekends, or even a casual gathering with friends. For a satisfying brunch option, try a poached egg nestled atop a bed of creamy avocado and smoked salmon on toasted rye bread. A sprinkle of fresh dill and a drizzle of lemon juice add a bright and refreshing touch. If you're craving something heartier for lunch, consider a classic chicken salad sandwich on toasted multigrain bread, topped with crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and a dollop of tangy mustard. For a light yet satisfying dinner, opt for a Mediterranean-inspired creation featuring grilled chicken breast, crumbled feta cheese, sliced cucumbers, and a drizzle of creamy tzatziki sauce on toasted pita bread. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and the ingredients on hand. Embrace the versatility of open-faced sandwiches and enjoy them any time of day, for any occasion. Quick bites, easy open-faced sandwich ideas. Short on time, don't let that stop you from enjoying a delicious and satisfying open-faced sandwich. These quick and easy ideas will have you savoring a flavorful meal in minutes, proving that culinary creativity doesn't have to be time-consuming. For a protein-packed lunch, try spreading hummus on whole wheat bread and topping it with sliced avocado, a sprinkle of sunflower seeds, and a drizzle of sriracha for a spicy kick. If you're craving something cheesy and comforting, toast a slice of sourdough bread and top it with sliced pear, crumbled blue cheese, and a drizzle of honey for a sweet and savory treat. For a light and refreshing dinner, combine canned tuna with mayonnaise, chopped celery, and red onion, and spread the mixture on toasted baguette slices. Top with sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a flavorful and satisfying meal. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Don't be afraid to experiment with your favorite ingredients and create your own quick and easy, open-faced sandwich masterpieces. A culinary adventure awaits. Open-faced sandwiches are more than just a meal. They're an invitation to embark on a culinary adventure. With endless possibilities for customization and flavor combinations, they empower you to unleash your inner chef and create dishes that are as unique as your taste buds. So gather your favorite breads, chicken preparations, and toppings, and let your imagination run wild. Embrace the simplicity and versatility of open-faced sandwiches and discover a world of flavor that will leave you feeling satisfied and inspired. Happy cooking! Recipe 1. Mediterranean chicken open-faced sandwich. Ingredients: 1 sliced crusty baguette, toasted, 1/4 cup hummus, 1/2 grilled chicken breast, sliced, 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup sliced cucumbers, 1/4 cup chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons Kalamata olives pitted and halved, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 lemon juiced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Spread hummus evenly over the toasted baguette slice. 2. Arrange sliced chicken breast on top of the hummus. 3. Sprinkle feta cheese, cucumbers, tomatoes, and olives over the chicken. 4. Garnish with chopped parsley. 5. Drizzle olive oil and lemon juice over the sandwich. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Recipe 2. Buffalo chicken open-faced sandwich. Ingredients: 1 sliced ciabatta roll, toasted, 1/4 cup buffalo chicken dip, 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup crumbled blue cheese, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, 1 tablespoon ranch dressing. Instructions: 1. Spread buffalo chicken dip evenly over the toasted ciabatta roll. 2. Sprinkle cheddar cheese and blue cheese over the chicken dip. 3. Broil in the oven for 1 to 2 minutes or until cheese is melted and bubbly. 4. Top with chopped celery and a drizzle of ranch dressing.